Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the crisper pan on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we'll open the refrigerator door up, remove the defective crisper pan, and you'll note that it is recyclable. So if you have a local recycling depot, you can dispose of it in that manner. We simply need to slide the new one into the crisper tray. And to prolong the life of the crisper pans, we suggest that you, first of all, make sure that you don't overload them and make sure that they're fully closed before you close your refrigerator door. And your repair is complete.